In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a picture to your Instagram post after you've already published it using your PC. Instagram recently updated its platform, so the process is slightly different than before. First, open your preferred web browser and go to instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will show you all the posts you've shared. Next, select the post you want to edit. Click on the three dots at the top right of that post, which opens a small menu. In this menu, select Edit. Here's where things have changed with the new Instagram update. While Instagram doesn't allow you to directly add extra images to an existing single image post, you now have the option to turn a single photo into a carousel. To do this, click on Add Media or plus icon if it appears. This will allow you to upload additional images or videos from your computer. Choose the images you want to add and arrange them in the order you want them to appear. You can also edit captions, tag people, or update your location here if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Done depending on the prompt. Your post will now include the new image and your followers will be able to swipe through them like a carousel. If you don't see the option to add images, it means Instagram currently only allows editing of captions and tags for that post type. In that case, the alternative is to repost your content as a carousel with the original and new images together. And that's it. Using these steps, you can update your post on Instagram from your PC and include additional images without deleting your original posts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy updating your Instagram posts. Happy Instagram using!